Hi, in this video I'll be testing this Dyson replacement filter I got from Amazon. Replacement filters are a popular option because they are cheaper than OEM Dyson filters. But are they worth it? We'll find out shortly. But the one I got fits the Dyson V11 and V15, and it's a pack of 3 filters. If you put it side by side with an original Dyson filter, you really wouldn't tell the two apart. But I will run a test to see if it performs as well as the original. That test is the fog test, a visual experiment to check whether the vacuum has a good enough seal to keep the fog inside the dustbin. No visible leaks mean allergens stays inside the dustbin where they ought to be. But heavy leaks mean dust and allergens are coming back out. In the case of a Dyson, the seals in question are on the filter. If you look really closely, you can see that the replacement seals aren't as thick and the finish isn't as smooth. Now to the moment of truth. Let's see if the filter has a good enough seal to keep the fog inside. Unfortunately, it did not pass the fog test as it leaked badly everywhere.